Okay, i-discuss natin tong question na to sa area ng CBI. Specifically sa arson investigation. Kasi itong question na to ay alintulad daw nung lumabas sa February word exam ngayong 2025. So, the question is, what would be the consequences removing the oxygen element from the fire triangle and how would it affect the combustion process? So, simple lang itong tanong na to. Tinutukoy nito ang konsepto ng fire triangle. Para maintindihan nyo yan, dapat alam nyo ang konsepto ng fire triangle. Ang fire triangle ay may tatlong components para mabuo ang isang fire. Heat, fuel, oxygen. Meaning to say, pag present ang tatlo, magkakaroon ng fire. Para lang yung mathematics. Diba? Paano makukonsider na triangle ang isang shape? Kailangan may tatlong sides. So, ang representation ng tatlong side is heat, fuel, and oxygen. Meaning to say, mawala man ng kahit isa dyan sa element na yan, walang mangyayaring fire. So, therefore, kapag nawala ang oxygen sa element ng fire triangle, ang mangyayari sa combustion process, mawawala ang fire. So, hanapin natin sa choices ang pagtigil o pagkaroon ng ceasing of fire. A. The fire burn more intense. So, alisin mo na yan kasi sabi dyan, mabilisan at lalong lalaki pa pag inalis mo yung oxygen. Next, the fire would continue to burn but a slower rate. So, hindi rin yan. Bakit? Kasi sabi dyan, tuloy-tuloy daw yung fire but slowly lang, mabagal. Next, the fire would be extinguished and combustion would cease. So, ito ang answer, letter C. Kasi, it will extinguish and cease. Mag-stop ang combustion process kasi nawala ang oxygen. So, yung D, the fire would not be affected and combustion would continue normally. So, hindi daw maapektuhan. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang apoy. Normally lang siyang magko-continue. So, hindi yan. So, the best answer, letter C. The fire would extinguish and combustion would cease.